Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel, and today I want to show you the results of my Saturday Hot Wheels hunting and some other brands of course as well. So yeah, I have visited I think 6 or 7 stores in total in a timely matter of like 2 hours. So yeah, I have all the receipts here so you can see how much I paid. So yeah, but if I had to guess, I would say around 24, 25, 26 euros for all of these cars. So yeah, some of them we're only gonna look at them and not unbox them. Some we're gonna open right away. So yeah, if you enjoy this type of content, why not leave a like and a sub to the channel? And with nothing further else to add, let's start with the video. At first, from Smith's Toys Superstores, I have bought this Neon Speeders McLaren F1 GTR, and yes, so I've actually decided to unbox this one on the fly because, as you can see, the card isn't glued here at all. Like, I can go under here and probably rip it open like this with one finger. So yeah, and I'm touching the car as you can see. So yeah. And here we have the Neon Speedster McLaren F1 GTR. Really nice. Why have I bought this one? Simply because I'm starting to collect or try to collect all McLaren F1 and F1 GTR models. So yeah. And since this one was hanging like 10 or 20 pieces of this car were hanging on the, how you say that in English? I don't know, on the pegs, sorry, on the pegs. Were like 20 of these, so yeah, I've decided to buy one. Simply because I don't have it yet. And this one cost me around, if I find the receipt, yes. Since it's a silver line, it's not very expensive. It was as you can see, 4 euros. So yeah, 4 euros for one silver lines, or semi-premium as some call them as well, is pretty cool. So yeah, love to have this one in the collection. Okay, next up, I think I have to order them because some of them have, like this one, stickers on the back and are from one store. So yeah, this one is for late. Okay, we're gonna do you first. And next up we have here the 2023 Alfa Romeo Tonale. And this one I bought in a teddy, or however you call it in the in English. So yeah, it's actually a new for 2024 model. So this one is hanging around for a while in the store, and yeah, really cool model, but I'm gonna keep it sealed for now, I think. Okay, and this was the only one I think I bought in that teddy. So yeah, €1.50 from Teddy, as you can see. So yeah. Okay. Next up we have the Fiat 500e in this very nice golden color. I actually bought this one for my mom because my mom is a huge Fiat 500 fan. Yes, this is the E version, but 500 is 500 for her, so yeah. So, but my mom thinks she has this one already. I don't know, she's checking right now, so maybe this moves in my collection, maybe it moves into my mother's collection. Okay. And I think I got this one with a few others from a store called Woolworth. And in this store I actually bought quite a few cars. I think it was like 4 cars. So yeah, here you go. 4 cars for €1 and why is there 2000 and 1750? I don't know. But for €1.50, €1.75 a piece. So for 4 cars, €7. So yeah, I think this was one of them. These two are not. These two not as well. Yeah, yes, these two and this one I bought from there. So yeah, this one. And then we have the new for 2025 casting, the custom Kia EV6. And I bought this because I really like the casting. I don't really care that it's an electric car. I collect what I like from the looks, so for me it doesn't matter. So yeah, let's unbox it. Really, really nice car. This paint is really, really nice. This purple. Okay. And the last two are actually one casting that I bought double. It's the Karma GS6. And yes, some would say, why do you collect this? It looks ugly. To me, it doesn't look ugly. It looks actually quite good. Especially from the back. So yeah. Anyways, I have bought 2 of them simply because there was I think like 4 of them. So yeah. And so yeah, I can unbox one and keep one sealed just for the collection. Really nice car with the really nice and great sunroof, so you can look inside. Really, really nice. And details actually, okay, this is probably like this plastic, the headlights, but like decals are all around the car, which is really, really nice. Okay, so yeah. Okay, these 2 are separate, this one is separate, and these 3 are together. So yeah, these 2 we do later. Okay, next up, I was in a Kick. Yes, in a Kick store. And there I actually have bought only one car, simply because there was only one to my personal liking. And it's this 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel in this rescue deco, which is very, very nice. And I'm starting to collect more and more pickups, so that I have a variety of each type of car. And these, here you can see the price, €1.50 or 49 cents, but I like to round up to 1.50. So yeah. And with this we are done with 4 of 6 already. So yeah. This one I'm gonna keep it sealed. Maybe I unbox it in the German version, I'm not quite sure. So yeah. Or I'm gonna do it later in a short or in another video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, next up, I went into another supermarket store, some would say, and I went in an Aldi, and in there I bought two Hot Wheels, as you can see, for 1.59, so 3.18 in total. And these two cars are this 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Yes, I have this car already, as you might know from my huge order in February. But I think I only have it once. I think I would have to check now my collection, but I thought I only had one, and that one is loose, so I got a second one just because I want to keep, as I do with many cars, one sealed, one opened, and this one is gonna keep sealed, especially since it's near mint conditions. Okay, and the second car from the Aldi was this really nice Mercedes-Benz 500e, and yeah, I think this is a quite an error car, because can you see how much why am I shaking so much? Can you see how much paint is chipped away alone on the front? So yeah, but the back is quite nice, and this color is absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one sealed. So yeah, for now. Maybe I open it in a later video. But it's a really nice car. And a nice gentleman in front of me on the checkout actually asked me if this is an older Mercedes, and I said yes, it says on the packaging. So, and we both had a little laugh. So yeah. And he told me his father had actually one of these when he was a little bit younger. So it's really nice. So yeah. Okay, anyways, let's go to the last store. The last store for today is a Pepco, and in which I bought, oops, sorry about it. I bought in total 3 cars, so €6 for 2 cars a piece. Yes, in many stores make the prices around this area, so it's quite okay, I would say. I know that in some countries you have to pay for one singular Hot Wheel about €3 if I do the conversion from their currency, right? So I don't really argue with these prices because they are quite good. Anyways, at first we have the 23 Ram Ram 1500, and yes, this is quite similar to this one, since it's both the Ram 1500, but this one is the 2023 one and this is the 2021, as you can see. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna open up this one right now. Actually, as you can maybe see, if I keep it a bit steady, the front is a bit higher than the rear. I don't know if this is wanted like this, but I think so. You can see it better. The rear tires are actually a bit smaller than the front tires, or is it just me? I think so. And yes, you can see the front is a bit lifted up, but that's no problem at all. Ooh, nice fingerprints all around the car already. Oh man, I should start wearing some not hand shoes, sorry. I don't know the English word, but you know what I mean. A glove. Should start to wear some gloves. Man, it's so hot over here that I can't even think straight anymore, which is not quite good. But anyways, let's go on to the last two ones for today, and these are actually doubles, which I both have already at least once. I think both I have only one, and both are loose. So yeah, and I love both of these cars. So yeah, I bought them again simply because of that. Okay, and with this, we are already at the end of today's video. If you enjoyed, please let me know in the comments what you would like to see next, and then I wish you a wonderful rest of your weekend, and then we'll see each other again on Tuesday. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.